Oh. Oh.
Oh, I know that shit.
Oh.
Sorry. It's just
Oh.
pretty good. Oh. 10. Sorry. Sorry. English.
Oh.
Oh god, I have to burp so bad. Sorry, that was just sounding nasty.
Oh.
Sorry. Wow, that's so nice. Just pizza. It was so good. Ooh, that burp tasted like pizza. Color. Sorry. Dude, my first beer wasn't just the first beer. It's before you like realize the effect that alcohol has on your body and you just go like fucking insane. Sorry.
Your debut design, or do you really?
So sorry. Sorry. My bad. Okay, 2 gifted subs. 3. Everybody's saying the bed. What did you guys do in bed? That's fucking nasty. Subs. Believe it or not, I have like any kind of clothing you can think of, I have it. Oh god, I have to burp. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Expensive. And then I have to change time zones, which is a pain in the ass. They could make most followed time. They could be like that are active in chat right now. Hours. I do like it in black and white. Like super chill style. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my house. It's so weird. Oh, we can get it in purple too. Let's take the bandages off. I don't want bandages. What is this? And you can get banned or something. I mean, oh, hey, this guy. So apparently, his friends keep. Did I grow up with Nintendo 64? Yeah. I had a Super Nintendo too. Sorry, you guys. And sorry. They burn like fucking shit. What was that? I burped. It just burned so much. That was really spicy. Oh, my lips burn so much. Oh, water spread spices. Oh, is that why it's so bad? Right? Oh god, I'm dying. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Uh.
Sorry.
Uh.
Sure.
Uh.
No, it's not.
Diseases.
Oh.
It burns so much. Like my whole throat burns.